Well, the family of a 24-year-old cyclist killed in a crash in Cambridge is now filing a wrongful death lawsuit.
That suit is against the truck driver who they say drove into her, as well as the company that owns the truck.
Well, we have a copy of the lawsuit right here, 8 pages in total, giving new details about that crash killing Minh-Thi Nguyen. Her family now looking to make sure nothing like this ever happens again.
They're looking for, first and foremost, for justice for her.
The family of Minh-Thi Nguyen living in agony after she was hit and killed by a truck. They're now trying to hold the driver and company that owns the truck responsible with this wrongful death suit. The 24-year-old MIT graduate student studying physics was riding her bicycle to class last year from her apartment. According to the suit, that's when she was hit by the box truck owned by Charles P. Bluen.
And this vehicle failed to adhere to the traffic. It failed to adhere to the bike lane.
The truck driver here in the 8-page lawsuit is accused of being unqualified, lacking appropriate skills, also allegations the truck shouldn't have been on the road that day in June. The family seeking a judgment with an amount to be determined by the court.
The truck lacked necessary safety equipment that's required by the city of Cambridge.
As of Wednesday, we're told the Middlesex County District Attorney's Office continues to investigate. According to the complaint, Minh-Thi was in a bike lane wearing a helmet and following the rules of the road, with the truck only stopping after hitting her when a bystander flagged down the driver.
This is a pretty straightforward thing. This is just a negligence case. There's no question, and I can tell already about the driver of the truck being negligent. You know, when you hit a bicycle that is riding in the bicycle lane, you're at fault. It's almost that simple. I mean, will they be fighting about it and arguing and, you know, all the, fun legal games? Yes, but it's a very straightforward case. I mean, you have a duty or obligation to follow the traffic laws and to not run over bicyclists, pedestrians, or other cars. And that's exactly what happened here. So I don't see the difficulty in establishing liability. The question in all cases like this is always going to be about damages. And here you have a young girl who's super bright, obviously well educated and going to MIT. She had a very, bright future. And, to what extent her family could have expected to rely on that. I think the number in a case like this, it could be astronomical. So this is a super high value case. And, the fight will be about the damages, not the liability itself. I mean, and when you have a driver, working for your company, it is, you're obligated to provide, training and make sure they're qualified. And the mistakes of the employee are going to be the employers. They're responsible for the employees, and especially if they were negligent in the training, supervision, or any of that kind of thing. So this is actually a great case from a lawyer's point of view, but sad nonetheless. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.